Voorsitter, in Januarie vanjaar het die Suid-Afrikaanse Mediese Vereniging 'n oop skrywe aan die president gerig, waarin hulle die president versoek het om die werkloosheidskrisis onder gekwalifiseerde medisyne dringend aan te spreek. Die vereniging het die president gewaarsku dat indien die krisis nie aangespreek word nie, dit kan lei tot 'n verdere verlies van mediese personeel na die private sektor, sowel as immigrasie en uiteindelik die totale ineenstorting van die openbare gesondheidstelsel. Elke jaar word die VF+ oorval met klagtes van mediese studente wat moet aanmeld as mediese interns, maar wat nie deur die staat geplaas word om 'n internskap te kan voltooi nie. Dit terwyl ons publieke hospitale reg deur die land ernstige tekorte het aan dokters. 2025 was geen uitsondering nie en vanjaar het 1800 junior dokters wat hul opleiding voltooi het, is tans nog werkloos. En alle aanduidings is daar dat Suid-Afrika lank reeds in 'n krisis verkeer. South Africa's number of doctors per population is currently at 0.3 doctors per thousand people. This is while the World Health Organization recommends is at 2.5 doctors per thousand people. Yes, we need funds to appoint doctors and other frontline medical professionals. And yes, indeed, budget cuts have a huge impact on this, but whose fault is it that we are in this crisis? A crisis that I and the Freedom Front Plus have warned against for the past 6 years in this very same parliament. It is clear that the Minister of Health is not capable of leading this department. It is clear that the Minister's priorities are not aligned and completely wrong. Since April 24, this department has spent over 3 million rand per month on advertising costs for the NHI. What a waste of money. That amounts to 28 million from April 24 to February 25. But there is more. The Minister himself admitted to the VF+ during a portfolio committee meeting in October last year that the 89 million that was spent on NHI advertising campaigns in previous years, and I quote, was mostly a waste of money and that the expenditure did not offer the value for money, close quote. The VF+ is of a view that this money could have been better used given public hospitals' decay and dysfunction, the lack of medical staff, ambulances, doctors and nurses. Our pharmacies are empty, essential medical equipment is missing, and there is a shortage of beds and water. Die minister en die ANC moenie kla oor die USAID en PEPFAR fondse wat gestaak is nie. En ek het in die vorige komitee gesê, ons moes ons huise in orde gekry het en self ons eie fondse opgebring het. Maar as die minister en departement se prioriteite reg was, het ons nie nou in hierdie ernstige krisis gesit nie. Hier is nie die Amerikaners, president Donald Trump of apartheid se skuld nie, maar hierdie is absoluut die ANC se skuld. Dankie voorsitter.